Hello, I'm Dr. Che from The Standard. Glad to see you again after the Chinese New Year. Last time I recommended two shares. First one is the China Blue Chemical, code number 3983. Another one is the Haier Smart Home, code number 6690. So both shares went up a little bit after I recommended. Share price was a little bit volatile, but this is normal. And today, Hang Seng Index at this moment dropped about 400 points. I believe that this is also a healthy correction. So next, I want to talk about some semi-new shares. That means those shares recently listed on Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Normally, this kind of share, they may not have a good track record in the earnings, but normally the shares are cornered. That means being gathered by some institutional investors or some fund managers. So if they have a concept behind or they have a good earnings potential, these shares are easier to be pushed higher. Okay, first let's look at the share code number 2170, Basecare. So it was listed just 1 week ago, more than 1 week ago. And the business of this share is the genetic testing solution for assisted reproduction in China. So the potential of this company looks all right. And if you look at the oversubscription rate in the IPO, it was 400 times oversubscribed. But however, on the first day of its listing, it only went up by 1.2% compared with the IPO price 27.36. So if you look at the chart, actually it just start to go up 2 days ago. After it was listed, share price just kept hovering at its IPO price around 27.50 level for five days, and suddenly it went up and climbed to $32 level, and then it cleared the first day high again. So this kind of chart looks good because has some adjustment, and then suddenly buying order come, and then those investors being scared, they had already dumped their shares in these few days, in the first few days. So I would say this share has been cornered and easily pushed up. So today have some correction. So I think if it didn't go down below 30, still okay to buy. I expect it will turn up again and clear the all-time high, because very important, oversubscribed by 400 times at the beginning, but the share price did not go up on the first day. So someone do not want this share to go up too early or too fast until they collect enough shares. So this one you can consider. Second one I want to discuss with you is code number 1024, Kuaishou. So I mentioned this share to you before because this is so popular before it was listed, and it received a lot of oversubscription. How many times? 1,203 times. Lock up about 12,000 12,000 billion. 1,200 billion should be 1,200 billion Hong Kong dollar. So the number is so big. So anyway, as I discussed the strategy before, so do not pay too much attention in the subscription, because your subscription successful rate is so low. But if you borrow margin and borrow a little bit, not too much, borrow a little bit, the chance is bigger. You may have 44% chance to get the share. If you use say 200,000 deposit and then borrow another 2 million, then you got 44% chance to get one lot. Anyway, I suggest you to sell on the first day if you got the allotment, which is possibly you can sell this share at around 340 level on the first day. If you did not sell, the second day it dropped to below 300. So many individual investor has dumped the shares, and then the third day start to go up. And this looks good because it cleared the high of the first day. Normally for short-term trader, they would buy here, which is 350, and enjoy a rise of about more than 10% in the following few days, and today have some minor correction. So I think this share, since it had cleared the first day high, if it did not drop below this level, which is around 380, then this share still have a chance to go up for short term. For short term trading is fine, but the valuation is really expensive. So you need to be cautious. But from the chart, it still has chance to go up again, but only for short term trading. It's all right. And another share I want to discuss with you is 2161, code number 2161, JBM Healthcare. Okay, this is a company which distribute healthcare products, a famous brand across the Greater China, Southeast Asia, and some other countries. Long history company, but I would say not exciting. So IPO over subscription is only 21 times, but however, first day it went up 80%. So surprisingly, you can get the allocation, and first day went up 80%. But then, after it was listed, and the share price went up, first day, second day, starting from the third day, it keep going lower and lower. Today is the 6th day falling, consecutive day falling. So this kind of chart is very bad, technically. Do not touch. So one very important point, if the oversubscription rate is only 20 times, that means nobody pay attention to this share initially. But still, first day it went up a lot. That means it may not have the potential to rise further. And the chart is really bad, so don't touch. Do not buy this share. Don't touch, okay? So the fourth share I want to discuss with you is code number 2160. 2160. So this one is much better. The name is CardioFlow. CardioFlow. So it is a company manufacturing medical equipment for heart disease. And you can see, so first day listing, share price did not went up much, but then it keep going up again, higher and higher. So you can see the chart of 2160 cardio flow. So first day went up, and then second day it dropped. Third day it started to recover and steadily. And yesterday it almost hit the high, but today it followed the market to have some correction. So I believe the share price can have a support, and if it does not drop below 1950, still have chance to rise again and clear the high. So this one has the concept, has the potential, and so this is what I want to share with you about the semi-new share. And today there is a share which you can apply, but time's already up. But I don't recommend you to apply this share. The name is a JOINN Laboratories, code number 6127. It is a leading non-clinical CRO which focus on drug safety assessment. So the company had already listed in A share. So I don't think there is much expectation or potential to have for share stock price speculation or short-term trading chance. So skip this one. Another one worth mention is the today list share, but the share price went up a lot. Code number 6606. Share price went up 218%. Again, it's very difficult to get allotment, and first day share price already rise so much. Again, I don't recommend you to consider. Okay, finally, in my video, I want to talk with you about a share that you should put into your portfolio with the help of the chart. So what is this? So this is BYD company, the most famous China electric car company. I think both this share and Tesla, the share price is taking a rest and taking a correction. As you can see from this chart, since January, it's moved between 235 and 260 level, 270 level. So it's still fluctuating in a $15 range. So I think it may test 50-day moving average. There is chance. But what can help you to find out the level to buy this share? So this stock chart, I got it from the aastock.com. This is very good website that you can refer. So you can always see the chart with the help of some technical indicator such as MACD and EMA. So you can see if the red line cross the green line and then go up. Normally this is a buying signal. So these kind of technical indicators will help you to identify the start of our upward trend. And of course, first you should select the share, and you should select a share and the sector, and shares which is the leader of the sector, and the share company, the shares profit has the potential to grow. So select the share first, and then use the chart, technically to help you to identify which level to enter. And for BYD 1211, I would say around this level, which is 235 to 240, I would suggest to take action to buy. So if the MACD here below turn up, then also this is also a signal to help you. And also RSI relative strength index is also a good and useful tool, right, to see whether the share is overbought or oversold. So these are this is the things that I want to share with you today. So to summarize, so first, fundamentally, U.S. stock market, Hong Kong stock market still looks good, and Hang Seng Index, I would say, is still have chance to clear the all-time high first half of the year. Second point I mentioned is about 4 semi-new shares. Among them, I like the 2170, which is, and also the 2170 and also the 2160. Okay, 2160 is cardio flow. 2170 is the Basecare. So both share I like. Another one, 2161, which is JBM Health. This one I don't like. And quite sure also short term only. Valuation too high. And last, 1211 BYD company, this electric car company. You should still add this into your portfolio. But the level to enter may be possibly the best level is around 235, 240. So this is what I want to share with you. If you have some comment or some opinion, some advice who want to give me, try to share in your comment and follow this page. So thank you. Talk to you again in the future.